Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Potato tubers become green if exposed to light, attacked by insect, infected. None of these. Right answer is exposed to light. Virus-free seeds of potato are produced in hilly areas, spring crops in plains, autumn crop. Right answer is hilly areas. Okra belongs to family Malvaceae, Solanaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Chenophidaceae. Right answer is Malvaceae. Desiree and cardinal are varieties of carrot, potato, radish, peas. Right answer is potato. Which of the following vegetable is directly seeded in field? Chilies, tomato, brinjal, peas. Right answer is peas. Buttoning is disorder of cauliflower, peas, potato, tomato. Right answer is cauliflower. Production of very small sized heads in cauliflower is called budding, belting, both of these, none of these. Right answer is budding. Development of seed stalk earlier in biennial crop is called bolting, budding, greening, none of these. Right answer is bolting. Bolting in biennial crops is due to low temperature exposure, high temperature exposure, both of these, none of these. Right answer is low temperature exposure. Quality seed carrot is produced through seed to seed method, topping in situ method, sticklings, none of these. Right answer is sticklings. Blossom and rot of tomato is due to infection or disease, boron or calcium deficiency, insect attack, nutritional deficiency. Right answer is boron or calcium deficiency. Vegetables belonging to the cross-pollinated group is peas, tomato, A and B, cabbage. Right answer is cabbage. White brinjals are commonly grown for ornamental purpose, salad purpose, A and B, none of these. Right answer is ornamental purpose. Tunnels for vegetables forcing are categorized as high type, low type, walk-in type, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Storage life of vegetables increased by the use of gibberellic acid sprayed at the time of harvesting. 50 ppm, 100 ppm, 200 ppm, none of these. Right answer is 50 ppm. Dormancy of seeds are broken by gibberellic acid, ethylene, water, none of above. Right answer is gibberellic acid. Femaleness in cucumber is induced by GA, ABA, IBA, right? And none of above. Right answer is none of above. Maleness in cucumber is induced by GA, ABA, IBA, none of above. Right answer is gibberellic acid. Plants' protein, RNA, DNA contents are increased by auxins, adenine, cytokinins, none of above. Right answer is cytokinins. Most of cucurbits are salt tolerant, salt sensitive, A and B, none. Right answer is salt tolerant. Most commonly used growth retardants are phosphon, MH, coumarin, none of above. Right answer is phosphon. LR significantly increased fruit, size, color, weight, all of above. Right answer is all of above. In green plants, light favor the formation of auxin, Ga, Aba, Iba. Right answer is auxin. Potato belongs to the family Umbellifera, Cucurbitaceae, Solanaceae, Alicaceae. Right answer is Solanaceae. Parthenocarpic cucumber develops due to after pollination, without pollination, none of above, A and B. Right answer is without pollination. Family Solanaceae consists of these crops: potato, tomato, and eggplant asters, watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, turnip, radish, carrot, etc. None of above. Right answer is potato, tomato, eggplant, etc. Which crop is reproduced sexually? Ginger, turmeric, onion, none of above. Right answer is onion. Which crop propagated by asexual means? Sweet potato, chilies, cauliflower, none of above. Right answer is sweet potato. Vegetables which grow during summer: turnip, radish, cucumber, watermelon, cauliflower, cabbage, none of above. Right answer is cucumber and watermelon. Vegetables which grow during winter: cole crops, cucurbits, root crops, A and C both. Right answer is A and C both. These vegetables are mainly raised through nursery: tomato and chilies, cucumber and watermelon, radish and turnip, none of above. Right answer is tomato and chilies. Which vegetable is transplanted without earthen ball? Cucumber, watermelon, cauliflower, none of above. Right answer is cauliflower. Though these vegetables are cross-pollinated in nature: cauliflower and cabbage, spinach and peas, radish, none of above. Right answer is radish. Which vegetable is self-pollinated? Peas, cucumber, watermelon, sponge gourd. Right answer is peas. The botanical name of sweet pepper is Capsicum annuum, Capsicum frutescens, Capsicum gruesum. None of above. Right answer is Capsicum gruesum. Botanical seed of potato is seed potato, potato seed, none of above, slips. Right answer is potato seed. The origin of peas is Africa, Asia, America, Europe. Right answer is Asia. New growth of plants need water for proper development: low, medium, high, very high. Right answer is high. Which vegetable consists of more concentration of vitamin A? Carrot, fenugreek, potato, peas. Right answer is carrot. Which vegetable consists of more vitamin C contents? Tomato, turnip, radish, cauliflower. Right answer is tomato. Which vegetable having high concentration of fats? Sweet potato and potato, watermelon and muskmelon, cabbage and cauliflower, none of above. Right answer is none of above. Which of the family is also named as nightshade family? Liliaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Solanaceae, none of above. Right answer is Solanaceae. Which one of the following is a bulb crop? Garlic, potato, ginger, arum. Right answer is garlic. Botanical name of watermelon is Citrullus lenitus, Citrullus vulgaris, Citrullus fistuliosus, none of above. Right answer is Citrullus lenitus. Auxin antagonists compound interact with auxins as counteract, increase, decrease, none of above. Right answer is counteract. The compounds which inhibit the activity of auxins are known as auxin antagonists, antioxidants, epinostic agent, all of above. Right answer is antioxidants. Compounds possessing hormone-like properties which have small molecular weight are termed as auxins, gibberellins, quinins. None of these. Right answer is quinins. Many in superoptimal concentrations also act as growth inhibitors. Auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, all of above. Right answer is auxins. In plants, auxins are mainly present in root tips, stem end, shoot tips, leaf margins. Right answer is shoot tips. Directions of plant growth is controlled by auxins, gibberellins, quinins, all of above. Right answer is auxins.